Ever wondered why the police struggle to stop runaway motorcyclists? What tactics actually work when bikes can reach 200 miles per hour? Is there a smarter approach than dangerous high-speed pursuits? How many officers and civilians get injured each year in these chases? What if the solution isn't about being faster, but smarter? Let's count down the 5 most effective motorcycle chase stoppers that actually work. 5. Helicopter coordination.
Yeah, we need to traffic. Come up to
The December 26, 2022 chase involving Trooper Stephen Wilson showcases both the danger of traditional pursuits and the potential of aerial assets. The suspect initially appeared ready to yield, pulling onto the shoulder before suddenly accelerating away at high speed. Helicopter coordination changes the dynamic completely. When the RCMP helicopter tracked a stolen motorcycle suspect through Guildford, British Columbia in February 2015, ground units could maintain a safer distance. The helicopter pilot provided real-time intelligence, allowing officers to predict the suspect's movements instead of reacting to them. While the British Columbia suspect made a dramatic escape through a shopping mall and ultimately got away, the incident demonstrated how aerial units can maintain visual contact without escalating the danger level of the pursuit itself. 4. Tactical vehicle intervention.
Stop! Stop! On the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
In Alexander, Arkansas, we witness a rare successful adaptation of the PIT, which stands for Precision Immobilization Technique Maneuver for motorcycle pursuits. Trooper Alexander waited for the right moment. A slower speed section with a concrete divider that would control the motorcycle's direction after contact. Traditional PID maneuvers are extremely dangerous for motorcyclists, often resulting in fatalities. However, the modified approach used in Alexander involved forcing the motorcycle toward a barrier at a relatively lower speed, allowing the rider to separate from the bike without catastrophic injury. The key distinction is targeting the environment the motorcycle is pushed into, rather than the motorcycle itself. This requires extensive officer training and perfect timing, making it a technique reserved for specialized units. 3. Technology solutions. Natalia Burke's case from July 9, 2024, in Wiltshire, highlights how technology aids in identifying suspects even when immediate apprehension isn't possible. After crashing into a wall and fleeing on foot, Burke was later identified and faced 6 charges, including failing to stop and riding without proper equipment. Modern police departments increasingly rely on automated license plate readers to track motorcycles before chases begin. Long-range RFID technology for distant identification, and traffic camera networks to monitor suspects across jurisdictions. This strategy emphasizes identification over immediate capture, minimizing risks while ensuring accountability. Burke's prosecution serves as a reminder that escaping in the moment doesn't mean evading consequences. 2. Community reporting systems.
Right there, coming up to the 13 now by Austin.
The Suzuki Hayabusa incident from November 6, 2021, in Lowndes County, Georgia, involved a known drug dealer, Uriah Hall. What made this case notable was that Hall was already identified before the pursuit began. Smart departments are developing community tip lines specifically for reporting dangerous motorcycle activity, creating patterns of evidence before any chase occurs. This allows officers to identify suspects, monitor their activities, and arrest them in controlled environments rather than during high-risk pursuits. When communities actively report dangerous riding locations, police can establish surveillance and identify riders without initiating pursuits. This approach has shown success in urban areas where motorcycle stunt riding and street racing are common.
Who all's involved? Push traffic that way.
One, the Star Chase system.
Coming up on McDonald Road.
The May 22, 2020 incident in Clayton County, Georgia, might have ended differently with today's smartest motorcycle pursuit technology. After a Suzuki GSX-R 1000 rider fled at 80 miles per hour in a 55 zone, officers engaged in a dangerous nighttime chase that ultimately ended with a flat tire and a temporarily escaped suspect, who was later identified as 23-year-old Devin Pate. The most effective modern solution is the Star Chase system, which is a compressed air launcher mounted on police vehicles that fires a GPS tracking device that adheres to the fleeing vehicle. Once attached, dispatchers can track the motorcycle's exact location, allowing patrol units to back off completely. With real-time tracking, officers can coordinate ahead of the suspect rather than behind them. They can predict the rider's destination and set up controlled stopping points, or simply track the motorcycle to its final destination and approach the suspect after they've parked and removed protective gear. This technology has shown an 85% success rate in apprehensions, while virtually eliminating the dangers of high-speed pursuits. The GPS tracker provides court-admissible evidence of speeds and locations, strengthening prosecution cases even when immediate apprehension isn't possible. So do you think police departments should invest more in technologies like Star Chase, or focus on better training for traditional pursuit techniques? Is the public safety worth the investment in these advanced systems? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis of law enforcement tactics and technology.